heavenly bodies. So according to the celestial bodies and terrestrial bodies, our Father in heaven has celestial flesh and bones. That's why we have terrestrial flesh and bones. Everything as it is in heaven and the earth. Matthew 6, 9 and 10. So we have, our Father has house there. That is why we have house on the earth. Our Father has Wi-Fi in heaven. That's why we have Wi-Fi on earth. Our Father has chariot or cars in heaven. That is why we have cars on the earth. Our Father has flights in heaven. That is why we have flights on the earth. Our Jesus asked us to pray to Father, thy kingdom come as it is in heaven. That is already taken place. How do we introduce our Father Yahova to people? Again, everything as it is in heaven and earth. Earth has dust and air or gas. Same way, heaven also has dust and gas. We have terrestrial or planet dust body, and our Father in heaven has celestial or stardust body. So we cannot go near to him. And angels has stargas body. So our Father in heaven talk, walk, sit, travel. That is why we on earth talk, walk, sit, travel. So in heaven, angels also, they are made from the gaseous body, the star gas. Star gas is hydrogen, helium, etc. These elements are their body. The only begotten Son, who is at the bosom of Father, declared Father. John 1:18. How he declared the Father. When Moses asked, he wanted to see God. So the only begotten Son came in a cloth of fire and declared our Father. That was a celestial flesh and bone Father he was showing. So he said in Exodus 33, 20, 21, 22, 23, he said, you cannot see my face and live. It means our Father has face. Then he said, I will protect you with my hands. It means our Father has hands. Then he said, you can see my back part. Moses saw our Father's back part. Then we understood that we are created in his image and likeness. What is the meaning of image and likeness? We are not like an elephant. We are not like a bird. We are not like a fish. We are just photocopy of our Father in heaven. So the meaning of the image and likeness means we are just like our Father in heaven. Genesis 1:26. So in heaven our Father talk, walk, sit, travel. How we prove it through the scriptures. So we cannot go near to our Father. That is why our prophets, Israeli prophets, received the visions of heaven opened. We will understand our Father through visions. Now the visions will speak by drawing. This has been prophesied by Father Yahova to Hebakuk. Hebakuk chapter 2, word 2 and 3. Visions will speak by drawing at end time. All these years nobody could speak the visions or teach the visions. The visions were happened through the heavenly Wi-Fi to Israeli prophets. So in Genesis 28:13, we can see Jacob is seeing our father is standing and talking to Jacob. He was in a slight sleep, but he got that vision. Our father is standing and talking. Genesis 28:13. Then in Isaiah 6:1, Isaiah saw our father is sitting on highly exalted throne in his temple. That temple is our house. Our father's house is our house. So we saw our father is sitting in our father's house. Next vision is, we can see our father is walking on his throne. John saw in Revelation 4:2, first he saw a throne was kept. Then he saw our father is walking on the throne and he is sitting. So that is our father walks. Then next is, we can see the vision in Daniel 7:9. Our father is traveling on a chariot. The wheels were flames of fire. Then Ezekiel received the vision. Our father came in a plane or the flight, and he came and visualized our father in the midsky. So Ezekiel 1 vision is that. So from all these scriptures we understand our father talk, stand, walk, sit, travel. So these are the scriptures we have to use to educate people about our Father in heaven. So these are the main scriptures we use to educate people. All humanity on the earth should know how to educate yourself and educate others about our Father in heaven. And He is going to come and see us with Jesus. All humanity will see Him. All humanity will see our Father and Jesus coming in the mid-sky, and they will land on the Mount Olive, and the Father will step on the Mount Olive and it will split into two. And angels are also spirit. What does it mean? Spirit means we cannot go near and see Him. We will be killed, but we will understand Him. And He hides Himself away from us because of that unapproachable light. In Isaiah 45:15 it says, you hide Himself. That's what it says. He hide Himself. Why? Because He loves us. He cannot come around us unless He protects. Even Moses went near to Him, but he was protected. So usually He will come on the mid-sky or on the mountain tops. And He came on Mount Sinai, and He landed on the Mount Sinai. There was a big fire and smoke. Why? Because that fire and smoke represents that was the physical fire and smoke. If it was not a physical fire, there wouldn't have been any smoke. So our Father is a physical person. The only thing is He is celestial. He has celestial body. And all the celestial bodies and terrestrial bodies are physical globes, or all the stars and planets are physical bodies. So our Father also a physical person. The only thing is we cannot go near to Him. Then angels are also spirits. They have gaseous elements, like when they are on the earth, they have oxygen, nitrogen, carbon dioxide, all these are their body. So that these elements we cannot see, so we call them spirits, but they are also physical persons. So, lot of confusions people have. These all the confusions we have to remove it. And our Father in heaven is a celestial flesh and bone person, and Jesus received the same type of body that we can see in John 5:26. Then angels are also physical persons because they have gaseous body. So this is the way we should understand. In Job 26:9, we can see our Father is hiding his thrones with the clouds. So that way, that is another reason we cannot see him, and he keeps us away from him. So this is also one reason that we cannot see him. And the heaven opened, these are the visions only Israeli prophets received. No other religious prophets received our Father sitting, talking, walking, travel, etc. These are the declaration of the only begotten Son about Father. If you need any clarification, and you can refer my website www.newheavenandnewearth.org. Thank you for listening.